Is your storage full but you can't find anything to delete? Let's fix this in just a few minutes. Hi, welcome to Quick Fix Tech. I'll show you simple steps to free up hidden storage on your device. Step 1, check storage breakdown. First, go to settings and open storage. Here you can see what is taking up space: apps, system, or other files. Step 2, clear temporary files. On Windows, press Windows plus R, type temp and delete all files. Then type %temp and delete those files too. These are junk files that take unnecessary space. Step 3, empty recycle bin. Right click on recycle bin and click empty. Many people forget this. It can free a lot of space. Step 4, delete hidden files. Open File Explorer, go to View and enable hidden items. Now check folders like downloads or app data for large files. Step 5, uninstall apps. Go to apps and remove program you don't use anymore. Some apps take a lot of space in the background. Step 6, restart device. Finally, restart your device to refresh storage. That's it. Your storage should now have more free space. Like, share, and subscribe to Quick Fix Tech for more quick fixes.